Welcome to our roundup of the best FPV quadcopters you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a beginner looking to experience the thrill of first-person flight or an experienced pilot chasing speed, agility, and immersive control, we've selected top-rated FPV drones that deliver performance, durability, and cutting-edge features. In this video, we'll break down key factors like flight time, camera quality, transmission range, build strength, and ease of control to help you choose the perfect quadcopter for your flying style. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Stay with us till the end because the top pick might just be the ultimate FPV machine you've been looking for. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the Quadcopters FPV Protoss. The Quadcopters FPV Protoss is a ready-to-fly kit designed to simplify the FPV experience for newcomers while still delivering solid performance for intermediate users. It stands out with ready-to-fly convenience, high-quality FPV camera, and stable flight control system, making it a well-rounded choice for those who want everything included in one package. Unlike DIY kits, this drone comes pre-assembled and tuned, saving time and eliminating the complexity of setup. The Protoss offers a smooth and stable flight experience, which is especially beneficial for beginners learning FPV controls. Its flight controller is tuned to provide balanced responsiveness, allowing users to perform basic maneuvers while maintaining control. The included FPV camera delivers clear and low-latency video transmission, helping pilots stay immersed in the flying experience. Another major advantage of the Protoss is its complete ecosystem. The kit typically includes goggles, a controller, and all necessary accessories, making it a plug-and-play solution. This eliminates compatibility concerns and ensures that everything works seamlessly together. The drone also offers decent durability with a sturdy frame that can handle minor crashes and rough landings. Flight time and range are sufficient for casual flying and practice sessions, though not as extensive as high-end models. However, for its price and convenience, it delivers excellent value. It is particularly suited for those who want to jump straight into FPV flying without dealing with technical setup or configuration. Overall, the Quadcopters FPV Protoss is a fantastic beginner-friendly FPV drone kit that combines ease of use, reliable performance, and a complete out-of-the-box experience. Next up is the Start FPV R8. The Start FPV R8 is a compact yet capable FPV drone designed especially for beginners and indoor pilots who want to experience smooth and responsive flight without a steep learning curve. It features a lightweight frame combined with brushless motor performance, ELRS receiver stability, and durable whoop design, making it perfect for tight spaces and practice sessions. The brushless motors provide better efficiency and longer lifespan compared to brushed alternatives, ensuring consistent power delivery during flight. Its ELRS system offers low-latency control and reliable signal strength, which is essential for maintaining control in complex flying environments. Despite its small size, the R8 delivers surprisingly smooth flight characteristics. It handles quick turns, tight corners, and rapid acceleration with ease, allowing beginners to develop confidence while still giving experienced pilots a fun indoor flying option. The protective ducted frame design not only enhances safety, but also allows the drone to bounce off walls and obstacles without sustaining major damage, making it ideal for practice and freestyle training. Battery performance is respectable for a microdrone, providing enough flight time to practice maneuvers and improve skills. It is also highly portable, easily fitting into a backpack or even a pocket, making it a convenient option for flying anywhere. While it may not offer high-end camera quality or long-range capabilities, it excels in providing a safe, affordable, and fun FPV experience. Overall, the Start FPV R8 is a great entry-level FPV drone for beginners who want a durable, responsive, and easy-to-control option for indoor and light outdoor flying. Next, we have the DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a premium FPV drone that blends immersive flight with cinematic video capabilities, making it one of the most advanced options available. It features 4K cinematic video, immersive FPV experience, and advanced stabilization technology, delivering both thrilling flights and professional quality footage. The upgraded camera system captures stunning visuals with excellent clarity, dynamic range, and color accuracy, making it ideal for content creators and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 is its intuitive control system. Paired with motion controllers and advanced goggles, it provides a highly immersive flying experience that feels natural even for beginners. The drone's stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even during fast-paced maneuvers, allowing users to capture cinematic shots without requiring advanced piloting skills. The Avata 2 is also designed with safety in mind. It includes built-in propeller guards and intelligent flight modes that help prevent crashes and maintain stability. Its obstacle awareness and emergency braking features add an extra layer of security, making it more forgiving than traditional FPV drones. Battery life is improved compared to previous models, offering longer flight sessions for both exploration and filming. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 is a top-tier FPV drone that delivers an unmatched combination of performance, safety, and cinematic quality, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Next, the Apex FPV Drone Kit. The Apex FPV Drone Kit is built for enthusiasts who want a customizable and high-performance FPV experience. It stands out with custom-build flexibility, high-speed performance, and racing-grade frame design, making it a favorite among serious hobbyists and racers. Unlike ready-to-fly drones, this kit allows users to build and configure their drone according to their preferences, offering complete control over performance and components. The Apex frame is known for its durability and aerodynamic design, allowing it to withstand high-speed flights and aggressive maneuvers. Its powerful motor setup delivers rapid acceleration and impressive top speeds, making it ideal for racing and freestyle flying. The responsiveness of the controls ensures precise handling, which is crucial for competitive flying. One of the key advantages of the Apex kit is its upgrade potential. Users can choose their preferred camera, transmitter, and battery setup, tailoring the drone to their specific needs. This level of customization makes it a long-term investment, as components can be upgraded over time to enhance performance. Overall, the Apex FPV Drone Kit is an excellent advanced user choice for maximum performance, customization, and a true hands-on FPV experience. The last one on our list is the DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and beginner-friendly FPV drone that combines portability with impressive camera capabilities. It features 4K UHD camera quality, ultra-lightweight design, and beginner-friendly controls, making it an ideal choice for new pilots and casual users. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp and detailed video, allowing users to capture high-quality aerial footage effortlessly. Overall, the DJI Neo is a great entry-level FPV drone that offers excellent camera quality, ease of use, and portability, making it perfect for beginners and everyday users. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying and stay connected.